Good morning to all. We have discussed about successor and predecessor of a number yesterday, and we have solved some questions of successor also. Now today we will do questions of predecessor. Let's take a quick review. Okay, now tell me the number that comes just before 24. Yes, it is 23. So the number that comes just before the given number is the predecessor of that number. So we can find the predecessor of any number by subtracting 1 from the given number. So we have 133 here, 133. We have to subtract 1 from it to get its predecessor. So 3 minus 1 is 2. We don't have to take borrow here as 3 is greater than 1. 3 as it is, 1 as it is. So we have 132. And 132 is the predecessor of the number 133. Now B part 249. It is 249. I have to subtract 1 from it to get its predecessor. Now 9 is greater than 1. So we don't have to take borrow here. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 as it is, 2 as it is, as there are no numbers below them. So it is 248. So it is the predecessor of the number 249. Now our next number is 380, 380. We have to subtract 1 from it to find its predecessor. So now 0 is smaller than 1 and we cannot subtract greater number from a smaller number. So I have to take borrow here. So 8 will give borrow to 0 and it will become 10 by taking one number from 8. Now 8 will become 7 as it has given borrow to 0. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 I will write as it is. 3 as it is. Now I got 379 and it is the predecessor of the number 380. Now 410. We have to subtract 1 from it. So 1 is greater than 0. We cannot subtract greater number from smaller number. So I have to take borrow here. It will take borrow from 1. And it will become 10 by taking 1 as borrow. And 1 will become 0 as it has given one number to 0 here. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 0 as it is, 4 as it is. So it is 409. This is the predecessor of 410. Now 257. I have to subtract 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 as it is. 2 as it is. So I have got 256. This is the predecessor of number 257. Now 186. I have to subtract 1 from it. 6 minus 1 is 5. We don't have to take borrow here as 6 is greater than 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 as it is, 1 as it is. So I have got 185 as the predecessor of number 186. So you have to do this work in your classwork copy, and this work and homework of today you will get in your homework module.